Hi guys, for today's video, I'll show you on how to send money from Gcash to Gcash. Ang dali lang guys, just follow the step-by-step tutorial. So, if gusto mo magpadala ng pera sa kaibigan mo, family, or kahit sino, this is the tutorial for you. Alright, let's start after this intro. First, log in sa iyong Gcash app. At bago ka mag-send ng money, make sure na may laman yung Gcash wallet mo. Alright, sa iyong Gcash home screen, i-click ang Send. Next is itap ang Express Send. Now is i-enter ang name or phone number of the person na pagsesendan mo or padadalhan ng money. Make sure na tama yung number ha. Now, i-enter mo ang amount na gusto mong ipadala. After typing the amount guys, automatic na siyang naka-on itong blue guys. So that means may babayaran ka na 30 pesos. That's for protection fee. Pero kung gusto mo free lang, wala kang babayaran, i-swipe lamang ito to the left para ma-off siya. Pwede ka rin mag-message sa ibaba guys, or pwede rin hindi kasi optional lang siya. So after mo ma-enter ang phone number at amount of money, para makaproceed ay i-click ang Next. Okay, so double check kung tama ba talaga yung phone number at ang initial ng pagsesendan mo ng money. Alright, so kapag okay na ay scroll down ka lang at i-check mo itong box na I confirm that the details are correct. Take note that confirmed transactions will not be refunded. Please make sure that the mobile number and the amount are correct. Alright, so after checking the box ay pindutin mo na ang Send. At ito po yung Express Send Receipt. Pwede mo itong i-download, scroll down ka lang, at pindutin ang download. Okay, so pwede mo itong i-send sa receiver through Messenger as proof na na-send na yung money. And there you have it. Ganun lang kadali mag-send ng money from Gcash to Gcash. If you learned from this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe now. If you want to learn more about Gcash, ay itap lamang ang mga video na nasa screen. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless, and always remember, live, learn, inspire, value, and enjoy life.